Hey everyone, it's Kimberly Shipley. How are y'all tonight? I just wanted to do a little chit chat session and just kind of wanted to touch base with everybody tonight. I hope everyone's doing well. I started in my last video I put up today, I started wallpapered around my bathtub. And let me explain some things on that video. For one, the backboard, the way it's made, it's hard to paint. And I know some people suggested waterproof paint, but I'm not sure if that's going to work. So I got that wallpaper like years ago at Dollar Tree. And I didn't get enough to do my kitchen, and which I decided not to at the time. So anyway, I had that wallpaper left over, and I thought this was a good idea, maybe a little place to use it at that would look good. As a little backsplash, but easier to put up around the shower, that little space on the shower wall there that was lacking. And so that way it also give it a different ensemble that the white paint is going to create, and you have a little color in it too. So I thought, well, why not just use this? I have it here. It's, I am on a budget, so anything I can kind of cut cost a little bit once in a while. And I thought that added a little nice touch. Now, I seen it did not want to stick, and yes, I did use some wood glue. Yes, I do know you're supposed to use a special wallpaper glue, but that's all I had here, and I was going to go ahead and just get it done for this small of space. And so that's one reason I decided to do it like that. And I know some people may not approve, but anyway, I approve of it, so that's all that matters, I feel like. But yes, I just wanted to use some things I already had at home and already had purchased. Again, I'm on a budget, so I want to use sometimes things around my home to, if I can, that I like. If not, I think I've got enough paint, and that's one reason why I decided to go with the fixing of the bathroom. I've got enough material already here, including enough probably paint and spackle to fill in everything to almost finish the bathroom completely. So that's the reason why I went ahead and choose the bathroom next, because most of the materials is already here. So I won't have to, sorry, Teddy, I won't have to go in and purchase any. Again, I'm on a budget, guys, and I know y'all are too, or maybe some of y'all are. And so I just wanted to make you aware of why I've used things at home. Sometimes things can't be just perfect. And I know some people disagree. Yes, I do take pride in my work. But I also want to see some things accomplished. Some videos you may see some clean out areas I need to work on to clean out. I've still got to finish in Caleb's room one thing, computer desk. I've got to sit down and take time to put it together. I was kind of relaxing my hand from doing so many screws on his bed. That did take a lot of screws, and when you're tilting an Allen wrench like that, it really got me up in there. So it's finally starting to feel a little bit better. I meant to get more done today, but I woke up feeling bad. Where I have a lung infection, it did set it off in COPD. So I do get attacks once in a while. So this morning was kind of a bad morning for attacks. So I got a late start up in the day of doing anything. And then me and Caleb decided we wanted to go eat supper. Caleb, he chose to eat at Cane's and Raising Cane's, and I choose to eat at I like a grilled chicken sandwich. In most places, the only places you can find it at is over at Chick-fil-A. So anyway, we just got our supper to go and got back home, and now I'm just kind of lazing around a little bit, watched a little TV. So I mean, I've been a little bit sick today, but I did want to get a video out there and get that done. Took my watch off. But so I just kind of want to, everybody to know, yes, that's the reason why I done that area in the bathroom like I did today. Then after that, definitely I'm going back into the kitchen after the bathroom gets complete. And again, the reason I chose the bathroom, I already have the materials for most of it. And at least for the main parts I want to get done. So probably the bathroom with the next few motivational videos. I might add in a little bit of a clean up, tidy up, organizing. There's some things like that I can do also in the house. So I mean, we're going to have a full week for sure with videos. And again, I try to get a video a day, maybe even 2 videos. I did my motivational video this morning. So tonight's my chit chat video. And so, yeah, I mean, I just kind of wanted to get that part done. And yes, I'm going to paint the ceiling. And yes, I know a few of y'all have already said, I've got painter's tape, so I can add in little places where, like that around that, and it ain't going to hurt it. So I'm okay on the ceiling painting. The biggest worry I'm worried about is dripping on the bathtub, which I do have plastic. I'm going to put down for that situation. So, yeah, I'll get that took care of. And so there's just a lot of things like that going on around here. And I just kind of wanted to get on here and, kind of let you know what I have plans and talk to you about today. Again, some of my videos is going to be budget friendly. And, and that's okay. Sometimes we have to work on a budget. And so you may see me working a little bit things on a budget. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get off here for the night. I just wanted to little chit chat and say hello. Hope everybody's doing great. Leave in the comments hi. And also, before I get off here, I do want to mention the hype button, HYPE. That's a new thing that YouTube just started. And so if you click on, you can have up to 3 hypes a week. It's free of charge. So all you got to do is hit the hype button. And did you know that makes my algorithm go more? So in other words, YouTube, when you hit the hype button, that makes YouTube send my video out to other people. And the more people that hypes a video, the more it gets out there. So y'all can really help me with that. And I appreciate that. Because once other people sees my video, then they can, subscribe to my channel, click like, and it really helps get me out there faster sometimes. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all for doing that. And anyway, I wanted to say, I hope everybody has a wonderful night. Hit the hype button, like button, comment, say hi. And I hope each and every one of you have a blessed night tonight. And watch out for tomorrow's motivational video. Thank you, everybody. God bless. Bye-bye.